George Washington is an immortal figure in American history and an inspiration to the entire world. More than a skilled general and the first president of the nation, Washington embodied the values of courage, determination and integrity during a time of great uncertainty. His story is a testament to how leadership, vision and dedication can change the destiny of a people. Born in 1732 to a farming family in Virginia, Washington grew up in a society marked by social differences and British colonial influence. From a young age, he demonstrated leadership skills, starting his career as a surveyor before joining the military. During the French and Indian War, Washington gained recognition for his bravery and strategic intelligence, qualities that would later make him one of the most influential leaders of the American Revolution. When the colonies decided to fight for independence, Washington was chosen as commander of the Continental Army. His appointment was not just about military merit, but also a political strategy. He represented the spirit of unity between the northern and southern colonies, a crucial element for the revolution's success. The war was long and filled with challenges. Washington faced resource shortages, troop demoralization, and the might of one of the strongest armies of the time. However, he remained steadfast in his purpose, leading with a combination of military discipline and empathy for his soldiers' sacrifices. The final victory at Yorktown in 1781 not only marked the end of British rule, but also the beginning of a new era for the American people. After independence, Washington could have easily consolidated power and become an absolute ruler. Instead, he did the opposite. He resigned from military command and returned to private life, a gesture that reaffirmed his commitment to Republican principles. This decision earned him even greater respect, both nationally and internationally. In 1789, Washington was unanimously elected as the first president of the United States, an honor he accepted reluctantly, but with a strong sense of duty. During his 2 terms, he established crucial precedents for governance, including creating a presidential cabinet and promoting a policy of neutrality in foreign conflicts. His leadership helped solidify the young nation and lay the foundation for a lasting democracy. Even after leaving the presidency, Washington remained a figure of inspiration and stability. He returned to his farm at Mount Vernon, where he spent his final years dedicated to agriculture and family life. His death in 1799 was mourned across the nation and marked the end of an era. George Washington is more than the father of the nation. He is an example of how integrity, commitment to the common good, and the ability to lead with humility can impact generations. His life teaches us that even in times of uncertainty, it is possible to build something enduring when guided by strong values and a higher purpose. Whether in war or peace, Washington never sought personal glory. He sought what was right. His legacy lives on, not only in the United States, but as a universal symbol of leadership and service to others. Just like him, we can ask ourselves, how can our choices and actions today shape a better future for everyone? If this story inspired you, don't forget to leave a like and share it with your friends to help spread these timeless lessons.